Soft, juicy and smoky green chicken barbecue. You are going to love this one. After the marination, place chicken piece into skewers. Here's how I do it. Do the same way how I do it. Watch carefully. Now grill the chicken over hot charcoal. The smoky flavor makes this recipe amazing. Cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's done. Look at the color, perfectly grilled, so juicy and tender. Our green chicken barbecue is ready to serve. Check out the chicken, it's soft and tender, fresh, flavorful and obviously delicious.